My name is Mark Smith, and here's my unit here, my Jayco HT 27.5. And I guess you're wondering why I have a 2x4 and my trusty sledgehammer here. The reason is this landing gear right here is bent. So when we get to our destination and we're ready to set up and start leveling, I have to take the sledgehammer and I have to beat this leg down. Okay? Then once I get done and we've enjoyed our camping trip and everything else, then I have to grab this 2x4 and I have to set it up underneath the leg, and then I got to lift and lift and lift to get it up high enough to where I can get out and not worry about it hitting the ground. So your new leveling kit on my unit would make my life so much easier to just push a button and help level this thing out.
No camper should have to use a 2x4 and a sledgehammer to level their RV. When we looked at Mark's video, it really touched all of us. That experience should not be how camping is, and we wanted him so much to have this leveling system to just really be a game-changing upgrade to his RV and hopefully enhance their camping experience.
This is life-changing. This is really life-changing. This is a miracle from God that I've been praying for.
You have.
I have.
Yeah, he has.
And I get emotional because
He kept saying,
this is
Honey,
life-changing.
I really want to win this.
Yep. I'm gonna win this. I didn't say I want to win this. I just kept saying I'm gonna win it.
Yes,
I'm gonna
you
win
did.
it. So this really gives me a peace of mind, and it really makes me want to go out and camp now, because all I have to do is push a button a couple of times and we're done. You know, it's set up, it's leveled, and I'm excited. I'm excited to be able to go out camping. Out with the old and in with the new, let it burn.